Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Girl Stays Relaxed, and today I'm back with another video, but then it's not a tutorial today. Today I am doing a review on a natural hair brand that I received products from. As you can see, I'm super excited because like my conditioner was left with this, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, I got this. So like, I can't explain to you the feeling inside. I received this box from Renate Cosmetics, and you can check them out on Instagram. It's the same name, Renate Cosmetics. I haven't opened the box yet. I'm so excited because, Charlie, just look at how pretty the box is. So this is how their packaging is. And what I like about it is that they actually have a dark skin natural on the sealing part of the box. It's actually a really simple packaging, but then it's really pretty at the same time. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, I have my scissors ready. I'm about to open the box and then show you guys what it entails or what I could find inside. Pray I don't cut myself. Okay, almost done.
One eternity later.
So I've opened the box. And let me, Charlie, I think I'm set for life. Like, there are so many things inside. So let me show you guys how it looks like. This is how the box looks. And look at all the products that she gave me. Oh my God, I can't even say thank you enough.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
I'm going to talk about each of them and let you know what type of products that she sells. Okay, so the first one is natural hair shampoo, and then it contains coconut oil. So let's go to the ingredients. The first, when you're buying products for natural hair, the first thing that you have to look out for is water. That should be the first ingredient on the product, because we all know that it's really hard to moisturize natural hair, right? So for you to know that a product is good, you have to make sure that water is the first ingredient on the container or like in the description. And voila, the first ingredient here is water. I hope you guys can see. You can't see, but well, I'm not lying, that's the truth. And another thing, when you're buying shampoo, especially for like our 4C hair sisters like me, I like to buy shampoos which don't have sulfates in. And this one, I'm not seeing any sulfates in at all, so that's a really good sign. Plus it has coconut oil, so that's a plus. I can't wait to do like a practical review of these products so you guys can see how good it is. Okay, so I'm gonna put that down. So the next one is leave-in conditioner. Like I just said in the beginning of my video, my leave-in conditioner is finished. Like, I am out. So this was like, I don't know, a savior to me because I had run out of everything. Like, Charlie, I was hot. This one also includes aloe and then coconut oil. And let me see the ingredients. You see, this one too, the first ingredient here is water. You get it? The first ingredient is water, and it has shea butter as well. So one of the products that really work for me is shea butter. And so to find out that there's shea butter in this as well, that's a really good sign. So I'm going to do so many tutorials using these products, so you guys should like stay tuned because I'm about to bomb you with a lot of tutorials, so stay tuned. So I have another one here, and this one is natural hair conditioner with pure honey. I hope you guys can see what I'm talking about. And I think the previous one I just talked about, this one, I think this one is when you've washed your hair. This is a leave-in conditioner, right? So this is like for deep conditioning your hair, and then you rinse it out before you finally put in the leave-in conditioner. I was actually looking forward to this. This is actually a natural hair growth oil, and it contains coconut oil as well. So if you look at the back, coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, and then rosemary oil, vitamin E. So everything, all the good is inside this. If you've noticed in my videos, my previous videos, I've been making a lot of Ayurvedic stuff, and Ayurvedic oils, like the hair growth oil I've used, I use a lot of coconut oil. You can use olive oil as well. So even though this is a hair growth oil on itself, you can still mix it with other stuff if you want, if you don't want to use this by itself. So I can't can't wait, I'm excited. Okay, so this is a natural hair cream, and also this contains shea butter. Like, I'm loving all these products right now because they all contain my favorite ingredient for my hair right now. What I've been using for my hair right now a lot, which is shea butter stuff. So I'm gonna open it so that you guys can see how it looks. Hey, it smells so good, like, honestly. Because of the heat in Ghana, it's a bit melted, but apart from that, I can assure you, like, it smells so good. It smells like body cream, but it's actually for your hair, so that's a good sign. A natural honey and shea mask. And I think, you know, once you find mask in the description, it means you're not supposed to keep it in your hair. So once you put it in your hair, you wait for some time before you rinse everything out. How to use. So I'm reading it for you guys to see what's, like, how you're supposed to use this product. So it says you should apply the mask to wet hair, and then you wait for the hair to be fully coated. You cover it with a cap, a plastic cap. If you don't have a plastic cup, you can always use a rubber bag or a polythene bag that you find in your house. And then you wait for like 20 to 60 minutes, so for like probably an hour or less. And then you put it under, okay, and then you rinse it out. So that's all you have to do, and I'm sure this helps to retain moisture in your hair, especially if you have 4C, 4B hair. You know how hard it is to maintain moisture, so I'm sure this product will be really, really good for you. We use a lot of, you know, foreign products, but then we have to support our Ghanaian brands and our Ghanaian natural hair companies that are trying hard to provide the services that we need as naturals in Ghana. So I'm sure you guys have seen how nice her products are. I hope you guys can check her out on Instagram. I'm going to put a link of her IG handle down below so that you guys can order it for yourself and see how bomb these products are. So I'm really happy that you guys watched my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please comment below if you have any questions. See you guys in my next video. Bye.